In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a range in Excel. First, launch Excel on your device. Find the Excel icon on your desktop, your taskbar, or in your applications list, and open it. After a moment, you should see the Excel start screen with recent files and template options. If Excel opens straight into a blank workbook instead, that also works for this process. Now open an existing book. Click on one of your recent workbooks on the left, or use the Open option to browse to the file you need. When it loads, make sure you are on the worksheet that contains the data you want to filter. You should see your columns laid out in a grid, with a header row at the top, such as labels for name, date, or amount. Next, click and drag your mouse to select the exact block of cells you want to filter, including your header row. Start on the top left header cell, hold the mouse button, and drag down and across until every column and row you want is highlighted. The selected range will show with a darker border and a shaded background. A common beginner mistake is to forget the header row here. If you leave it out, Excel will treat your first real data row as a header, which makes the filter options confusing, so always include that header row in the selection. Once your range is selected, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Look along the very top of Excel for the row of tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and Data. Click on Data. The ribbon below will change, and you will see groups such as Sort and Filter, Data Tools, and Forecast. The options in this tab are all about managing and analyzing your worksheet information. From there, click the large Filter button, the one with the funnel icon, in the Sort and Filter group. As soon as you click it, Excel adds small drop-down arrows to the top cells of your selected range. Nothing else in your data changes yet, so your rows should still be in the same order. If you accidentally click Filter a second time, it toggles off and removes the arrows, so just click once and confirm the arrows appear. With that ready, click the drop-down arrows that appear only on the headers of your selected range. Choose any one header to start. When you click its arrow, a menu opens showing sort options, plus a list of all unique values in that column, with small checkboxes. This is where you decide which rows to show by ticking or unticking values. The filter applies instantly when you confirm in that menu, and Excel hides any rows that do not match while keeping them safely in the file for later. You have now opened your workbook, selected a range, turned on filters, and learned how to use the header drop-downs to filter your data. If this helped you get your Excel range under control, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more quick Excel tips.